Good afternoon, Year Ones. We're going to start our computing unit this afternoon, which is about grouping and sorting. And the first activity we're going to have a go at is grouping and sorting offline. That means not on a computer. And what I'm looking for is for you to be able to sort a variety of items using lots of different ways of grouping. So to start this afternoon, I want you to have a look at this shape here for me and just have a think about how you could describe it. So I'm going to give you a moment just to have a think, have a good look at it, see if you can come up with some ways of describing it. Okay, so we could say it's blue. It has got 4 sides. All sides are equal. It's got more than 3 sides, but it has fewer than 5 sides. Okay, those are different ways of describing it. Now have a look at this shape here for me. I'm going to give you a moment to think of how you can describe this one. Okay, so it is red. It has got 3 sides. All sides are equal. It has fewer than 5 sides. It has more than 2 sides. So those are some of the ways we could describe it. Okay, so I've done those two. Now let's have a look at this one here. So I'm going to give you a moment to have a think. Okay, so we could say it's blue. It has 1 side, fewer than 4 sides, more than, we can't use more than for this one, can we, Mrs. Thorne? Because it only has got 1 side. Let's put that one to the side, and then the last one we're going to look at together is this one here. You remember what this shape is called? A rectangle. Well done. So have a look at this one. We can describe it, we could say it is red. It's 4 sides. Are they all equal? No, they're not. Well done. It has got fewer than 5 sides. It's got more than 3 sides. So there's lots of different ways we can talk about these shapes, and that's going to help us when we come to sort them. So what we're going to do is have a look at these 4 shapes that we've just talked about and think, can we put any of them together based on the descriptions that we used? Well, I could put them together like this, and then I could put these ones together in a separate group. One group here and one group there. Can you see how I've chosen to sort them this time? That's right, I've used their colour, so I've put blue shapes together and red shapes together. Can you see a different way I could sort the shapes? I'm going to put those 2 shapes together, and I'm going to put these 2 shapes together. Can you see how I've sorted them this time? Okay, so I've put shapes with 4 sides and shapes with fewer than 4 sides. I'm going to do one more. This is a bit more tricky. See if you can work it out this time. Hopefully you'll have worked it out. This group of shapes has got straight sides. This group has got curved sides. So you can see there's lots and lots of different ways of sorting these shapes. Now on the blog there is a printout, a sheet that you can use. There's a copy of some shapes and a sorting grid that you can use if you want to. You don't have to print that out and use it. you can draw your own shapes if you want to on your in your paper or in your book. But what I'd like you to have a go is doing is sorting the shapes in lots of different ways, not just one way and then I'm done. Have a go and see if you can find lots of different ways of sorting them. You will have on the copy that I've given you a few more shapes and colours. So you'll have a sheet like this. And if you want an extra challenge, I can put some extra shapes on there as well. Now, once you've had a go at that, I've also set a to-do on your blog. And I'm just going to turn my iPad round so hopefully you can see. Your to-do will look like this here. It's called Shape Sorting. We click onto here and then we launch the app. And this is an online version.
Shapes into circles and squares.
Okay, so there's a spoken instruction. Click on the green for go, green play button, and then you've got a space here for circles and a space here for squares. And all you need to do is pick up and drag the shape into the right space. Now when you think you're finished, press the green button here and it will tell you if you're right or not. It'll take you to the next screen for another challenge. Okay, and that's your computing for this afternoon. Have fun, and I will have a look and mark your to-dos. And don't forget, when I mark your to-dos, I will try and leave a voice message. So do go back into them and press the play button and listen to the voice message. Have fun with grouping and sorting this afternoon. Well done. See you later.